Hello there YouTube, just a quickie updatey. This is the powerful 3 light LED. This one here, 1, 2, 3. And then on this one, as I said, you've got the accessory down there off the headlights for your riding lights or fog lights. So I'm using that, but what I've done, I've disconnected it. And I've done a plug on it. This is it's not piggyback, believe me, it's not. It's where the accessory wires come out on the plug. There, off the headlight. Some of these bikes don't have them, by the way. The Z1000 SXs, some do, some don't. So what I've done, I've put my own plug on it. So it just plugs straight into the light instead of using the bayonets, which I think is a lot safer and easier to unplug and pulling bayonets out. You can pull the wires out of bayonets. So, you know, regulator rectifier just here. That's your other accessory which goes to the sat nav or the heated grips, but I've got my sat nav going to it, as I said, because the Oxford heated grips go to the battery, because even if you forget to turn them off, they turn off on their own, which is a very good idea from Oxford. So I'll get back onto this and plug it in, and then when it's in, I'll show you what it looks like running. Okay, thank you. Alright, I'm back again. This is it now with the lights on. I'll just show you. As you can see, you can't miss that. 3 big lights. 3 big massive lights. That's the 3 lights that it's got, very bright, as you can see. Just kill the engine. This is, if you look down there, I ain't going to do this, am I? Yeah. That's the light gone. It ain't. Yeah. I ain't going to do it. I need another hand. Right, just down there with my fingers pointing. That's there. See the plug? There are the plugs. So it's all plugged in now. So if it ever goes, or I want to change it or disconnect it and put something else on, I'll be able to do that. So one more time, without the engine running. That's how they light up. These are them odd brands, pure whites. And then you've got, as I say, yeah. Try and get the bulbs again. No, it ain't going to do it. I was trying to get there, it's just the bulbs itself, but no. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It looks like a smiley face. And then the ID on. Now if they can miss that, somebody's blind, definitely blinded to miss that. And there are ram white balls. Yeah, they're the Osram white balls. So all I've got to do now, I'll just put that there. Is just wire the you can see it. That's the back of the USB charger. The gold one is which is to the right. You can see that. That's better. The gold one's to the right. That's the live and then the minus. And I'll be doing another video on that. what it is, there's a special, clever, smart blade fuse. Oh, just unclick it if I can. 2 seconds. Right, here we go. Sorry about that. Right, this is it. This is the one that goes to the alive. And you got 1, 2, 3, as you can see. See if that focus. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can have 6 outlets on this, and it only needs 1 lead going to the battery. And it's, you wire it and it to these and your accessories, and what happens is, if anything blows, see the LED lights, they automatically come on so you know which circuit's gone, so you know where the fault lays, which to me is a very clever way of thinking, that whoever designed this. Anyway, that's for another video to come. I hope you like, share, and please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.